Hey guys, today we're going to be working on our study guide, Distributive Property and Combining Like Terms. So remember, when you have a number and then something else in parentheses, it means to multiply. So we have 3 times x, that's going to give us 3x. Then we have 3 times, and we're going to treat this like a negative 2. So 3 times negative 2, that's 3 times 2 is 6, and a positive times a negative is a negative. So there's our answer right there, guys. That's it. That's all you have to do. In fact, on your quiz, make sure no spaces when you type those in, okay? Now, the next thing you're going to see, if you have a negative sign in front of parentheses, it means do the opposite to everything inside of these parentheses. So it means the opposite of 4x is a negative 4x. The opposite of a positive 1 is a negative 1. And then you're done. That's it. All right here, we're just combining like terms. We have 7 W's plus 6 W's. That gets us 13 W's. For number 4, let's look for our like terms. I'm going to start with our variables because we want those to be first in our problem. So you have 6x's, positive 6x's, positive 2x's, and positive x. So since they're all positive, let's just add them up. 6 plus 2 is 8. Plus 1 more x makes 9. Remember, if it's just alone, that means it's just one plain old x. All right, next let's look at our constants here. We have a 7, and then notice this is going to be a negative 10. If the signs are different here, because we're combining, so we're adding basically, you're going to, since they're different, subtract. That makes 3. Keep the sign of the number that's farther from 0. And that's it, guys. That's all you do. All right, last problem here for today. We want to start off with distributive property, just because in order of operations, you multiply before you do any adding or subtracting. So right here, we have negative 4. And I don't know why my pen decided it didn't want to work. So we have here negative 4 times 2x, it's going to be negative 8x. Then we got negative 4 times, notice this is going to be negative 3. Negative times a negative is a positive, and 4 times 3 is 12. Notice I put that plus sign as my positive. I'm going to bring down my plus 6. All right, now next, I'm going to look for like terms. Notice here, negative 8x, there's no other x's anywhere. But I do have some constants here. I have a constant with 12, or positive 12 I should say, and I have a constant with a positive 6. These two are like terms, they can be combined. So 12 plus 6 is 18, and since it's positive, we're going to make sure we put the plus sign for positive. Then, well, that's weird. Let me get rid of that. Then we just bring down this negative 8x. So our answer here is negative 8x minus 18. All right, guys, good luck on your quiz today. You have got this. Oh, real quick, guys, this right here is a positive 18. I don't know why I messed up there.